What's good? Just came back out. I hadn't been back out here on this side in a little while. I had the greens and radishes and there's some wheat planted up there too. I did plant some wheat back here, but leaves kind of, you know, you know, yeah, you can't get no sunlight under the leaves. I actually came out here to rake up the leaves, start a little compost, but yeah, it's a lot of wood debris out here, so I started stacking that up. Since they say it's illegal to have a fire, I'm not gonna have a fire, but I'm just gonna put it in a stack to where, like, if it was gonna be a fire, where a fire would be at. Do that make sense? But if it just so happened to catch on fire, I ain't gonna be mad. All right, you see, I started making a little pile, and I raked up some of the leaves. Show you what I did with the leaves. Made like a little bed going across with the leaves. Kind of do like a lasagna method. Throw some more of the sticks on top of the leaves and, layer it like that.